So we're going to do the Jacob's ladder. You have 5 boards. They measure 4.5 by 4.5. You come in and make a line 1/4 of an inch in and 1/4 of an inch in on both the top and the bottom. Okay. Then you lay down your ribbon and you figure out the width of that ribbon. Okay, and you draw a line on the other side of it. Then you draw a line smack down the center. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. Then you'll see that I've got this one marked here and this one marked here. I'll line them up all in a row, and I'll use my ruler to connect the lines, and I'll use my pencil to mark the lines. Here. Here's the center line. And one more line down here. So now we have lines both on the front and on the back, except for that one apparently. That's okay. One of them doesn't have to have lines, so we're safe with that one. Okay. Then we have a piece of ribbon which measures 2.5 widths of your board, okay? And we've got 12 of those. The next step is to take a waste sheet and to take your glue. This is PVA, but you can use Elmer's as well. I've got my blue brush here, and I'm going to take the first board and I'm going to take 3 ribbons, and I'm going to glue the first ribbon right here, and I'm going halfway. I'm going to have more glue than I need because my brush is a little bit big. And Bobby, why don't you come closer so that we can really see what's happening here. Okay, so you lay this down. I'm laying it down between my 2 pencil marks. And I just make sure that I run my finger over the top. And then I'm going to do the same thing right here. Okay. All right. Then we're going to glue underneath the line, right there, okay? It's important that you do it underneath the line for each one of them. You could also do it on top of the line, but then it has to be on top of the line for all of them. In other words, it has to be consistent for all of them. And if you glue the ribbons, the 2 ribbons on this side and the 1 ribbon here, then you need to do that for all of them. So just keep your pattern the same. You're going to repeat this for 4 of your 5 boards, and you're doing it in the same orientation. So I'm going to put this one aside. I'm just going to lay out the next one. I'm not going to glue it just yet, but I'm going to lay it out so that you can see that I'm doing it the exact same way. So here, it's going to be glued here, and here, and remember underneath the line. And here. So I'll do 4 of these total and leave 1 blank, and you can stop.